As you can see right here, I have $9.25. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how I earn this particular money. So, and if I want to withdraw it, I can go and click on this withdrawing button. So as you can see right here, I can enter my withdrawal amount right here. So I'm to enter my withdrawal address here. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can make at least $10 every single day by just trading BTC and Ethereum on this secret platform that I'm about to show you in this video. So all you need to do is to watch this video from beginning to the very end. So because in this particular tutorial, I'm going to break down everything step by step for you guys in order to make at least $10 every single day. So before I continue to the video, if you come across to my channel for the first time, or if you hear my voice for the first time, my name is Abakar. So what I do in this channel, I make videos around make money online. So I go out there, find different ways and different strategies to make money online, and if they work out to me, I come here to this my channel and share it with you guys. So what I need from you is to do me a favor by just subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you have a question, you can ask me in the comment section down below. So without more delay of your time, let's dive into this one. So all you need to do is to click the first link in the description of this video. So it will take you to this interface. You can just go ahead and put your email right here, and then you can just click on this next button. So what are you going to do on this platform to make money? You can just take a trade, and that trade that you can take, it is not so hard. So the platform itself will give you a signal that you can just trade. So let me go ahead and log into my account and show you everything that you need to know on this platform. So after you register, so this is the interface of this particular website. So if you want to recharge your account, you can come over to this assets section at the bottom of this. So when you click on this assets section, you can see recharge right here. So the minimum recharge on this platform is $5. So if you want to recharge, you can just click on this. If you want to recharge $5, you can come to right here and put $5, and you can just click on this next button. So they will give you an address of TRC20. So you can go to your wallet or exchanger, whatever wallet that you have or exchanger, you can go ahead and just send 5 USDT, or $10. So you can recharge as much as you can, up to $1,000. So after you recharge your account, then your balance will rightly appear right here on your assets section. So after you successfully recharge your account, your balance will appear right here. As you can see right here, I have $9.25 right here. So don't forget, the link of this signal group is in the description. So all you need to do is to come over to this section, home. So click on this home section. So you see this particular top trade right here. So we have two assets that you can trade on this very platform. We have BTC 28, which is Bitcoin, and we have call of prediction, while this one is Ethereum. So let me just click on this BTC section. You can just look how it is. So they have 5 minutes, trade of 5 minutes, and the trade of 3 minutes, and the trade for 1 minute. So all you need to do is to click on this 1 minute. So after you successfully click on this 1 minute, So we can go ahead and check the group that they have release signal. Every single minute they release signal on their Telegram group. So after you go and check, you can come over right here and select what they want you to trade on. So I'm going to go ahead and trade on Ethereum and show you how you can just get a signal there. So let me go back to home right now. So if you want to trade on color prediction, you can just come over right here. You can click on this icon at the center of this app, click on it right here. So when you click on it, you see the time is counts down now. So they will ask you to select green or red. So this is how you can just select whatever you want. As you can see right here, the green was on way. So all you need to do is to go ahead and use the calculator. So don't forget, use the calculator. They have a calculator that if you lost on 8th stage, you have never win. So they will compensate you 100%. So they will refund your account. So let me show you how you can just use the calculator. And in the couple seconds, I'm going to show you the signal group that you can just take a signal and enter a trade. So let me show you the calculator first. So right here, I am in my calculator. Don't forget to like this video if you are getting value from it. So let's say you want to trade with $10, for example. So this is how you can just enter trade with $10 in stage. In per stage, you see what you can enter trade with. So let me show you something. So this is the color prediction signal group right here, and you see this result was win. So and they said right here, recommended quantity, you can just enter $1. So don't ever use with what they have recommended for you to use with. Make sure you are always use the calculator before enter the trade. So let me show you. If you have $10, so this is how you can break that $10 into 8 stage. In this 8th stage, as you can see right here, if you have never win, so they will compensate you 100%. So they will refund your account. You can just talk to their customer service. So you can talk to their agent. You can tell them what happened to you by the time that you are trading. So make sure you are always use the calculator. So don't rush and don't be greedy, right? So all you need to do, I'm going to go ahead and trade through the color prediction and show you how you can just take that trade. Simple as ABC. So don't forget, all the link of this signal group and the link of this Coinryze is in the description box below. So let me go to the color prediction group and check what they want us to trade on. So as you can see right here, they said we can trade on red right here, as you can see. So let me go ahead and click on this color prediction. So time was gone, so let me wait and see what am I going to take trade on. So as you can see, we have never entered a trade and the result was green. So let us check. So as you can see right here, they have lost. So let me click on this green button and enter the trade. So let me click 0.06. So don't rush. Make sure always you are using the calculator. So let us wait to see what will happen to this trade. So let us see what will happen. So boom, as you can see right here, we have win. So this is simple and easy. So this is how you can trade on this very platform. So before I enter this trade, I have $9.25. As you can see right here, my balance was increased. So don't rush and don't be greedy. I'm warning you, don't be greedy to enter the money that you can't afford it. So make sure you are always use with risk management. Always use with risk management. So let's say you have $20, so you can break that $20 into 8 stages. So if you enter so if you enter trade with 10 cents right here and you have never win, so in the next stage, what all you need to do is to enter 10 cents again if you have $20. So in these two stage, if you have never win, so you can just enter this stage 3. If you have never win in this stage 3, you can enter the one for stage 4. If you never win in this stage 4, you can enter. So this is how you can just take everything right here. And let's say you have just enter stage 4 and you have win. So all we need to do is to go back to stage 1 and take stage 1 again. So don't rush. Make sure you are always use the calculator. So make sure you are using the calculator anytime you want to enter this trade. If you enter stage 1, you win. So make sure you are always on stage 1. If you lost, you can enter right here stage 2. If you lost on stage 2, you can go back to stage 3. If you lost on stage 3, you can go back to stage 4. If you win on stage 4, so you can go back to stage 1. I hope you are getting me. I don't know whether you understand. So this is how you can just use the calculator and break every balance that you have on your account into 8 stages. So if you have the $5, it will break it to you. If you have $9, it will break it to you. And if you have $10, it will break it to you. If you have $100 again, it will break it to you. So it depends on how much you want to trade on this platform with. So make sure you are using always the calculator. So don't forget to like this video if you are getting value from it. So don't forget, the link of this particular website is in the description, and the BTC 28 and the color prediction link also is in the description box below. So don't ever fear to trade on this platform, because if you follow their signal and the calculator stage 8, you have never win, so they will compensate you 100%, so they will refund your account. So let me show you the exact thing that happened to me and they will refund to my account. So this is their agent. So this is our chat with their agent, which is Salma. So as you can see right here, what have right here, I said to Salma, I have trade on stage 8 and I encounter losses from all the stages. You can check my account through my UID. So this is my UID and compensate me. So I tell her I'm always use with stage calculator now. So she says okay, and after that she replied to me, and I thank her for replying from her, because sometimes they are always duty, so they don't have time to reply sometimes. So she talked to me and she refunded my account back, so I go back and enter trade again. So this is how you can just trade on this platform with their signal and make at least $10 every day for yourself. So don't forget, if you have a question, you can ask me in the comment section down below. So this is for today's video, guys. If you are getting value from this, like this video, subscribe to our boys channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. All the links I mentioned in this video also are in the description. So see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching.